Okay, today we are going to we discussed cost allocation by distribution and assessment. Now periodic reposting. Okay. For periodic reposting, what we do is KS01 will create another cost center and okay. KS PAP9 KS01 P1006 vector. The category will be allocation. Location cost center. Save. Okay, hierarchy area. Okay. Save, enter. Okay, P01 created. Next is FS00. PAP9. Vehicle maintenance. Okay. 400. 392. The charges. Okay. Next is KANK. PAP9. RKIB. Periodic repostings. And these will be assigned to the group 09. Okay. So far what we have done, we've created cost center, a GL account, and be assigned a transaction. Periodic reposting to CO number range. Okay, next is KK01, which is statistical key figure. And our statistical key figure will be EU, Mr. Data, name, electrical units, kilowatt hour, and it will be total values, not fixed. It cannot be fixed because these keep changing. Save. This is saved. Now, we are going to create complete cycle for allocations, periodic reposting allocations. PAP3. We've already created two cycles, 01, enter. Primary cost reposting, this will be iterative attach segment. Okay. Electricity bills, repostings, posted amounts 100% and actual values, and receiver will get variable portions based on statistical key figures. Okay. Sender receiver tab will be P1006. 40392. Receiver will be prod. Okay. And what else? Receiving tracing factor. Statistical key figure is EU, which we have just created. Okay. Now attach segment, another. Rent. Rent reposting. Now this will be posted amounts, 100%, actual values, and fixed percentage, because rent is not variable, right? Sender receivers, P1006, cost element 400, 600. Prod, okay, P is 101, 102, 20, 201, 50, 20, 30. Okay, this is percentages that will be set. Okay.
सर ये जो परसेंटेज है इसका, ये 50, 20 और 30, इसका क्या?
I mean 50% of the electricity units, rent units. This is fixed percentage for rent. 50% will go to P01, 101, 20% to P1002, 30% to P201. Okay. So 100% of it will be reposted from P1006. Okay, now next is we pass a journal entry 01. Okay, entries will be 400, 392. Okay, 45,000, P1006. 40, 400, 600. $72,000 post. Next is KB31N. Now this is basically the, let me just 01. So on 01, E1001 EU, E1002 EU, P2001 EU. Now these are electrical units, and the reading was taken 750 units. Okay. 250 units and 2000 units. PAP 0101 post. Okay, 906. It has been posted. Okay. Okay. ASW5. This is the execution of the cycle 1 to 1. Test run. PAP301. Enter. Okay. Execute. Sender to rent and electrical units. Receiver 6 because 3 cost centers. Without errors, line items will be generated. No errors. Execute. Line 07 has been posted. Okay. So next is KSB1, P106. I'm just skipping the line items part. Okay. Electrical charges and rent account. Okay. And we have one debit, rest are credits. Okay. Against the cash account, this was the invoice first that was posted, and the rest was reposted with credits. Okay, in respective. And this is in representation currency. Representative or representation currency, that is AED. We can primary cost posting with business transactions, and we have in USD as well. Okay, 7344 and 1224. But this is not showing in controlling area currency. This is showing in, oh no, I mean 312. Okay, this is USD, but this is AED. This is USD, this is AED. Somehow this conversion is not coming correct. But anyways, now it is 00. Everything has been posted from 106. Okay. Cost element group, and we can check 400,392 and prod. Three zeros, 1010 electrical charges have been accumulated and reposted to these cost centers. Okay. So that's how you actually check. And that's all for today. I'll keep it till here. I'll keep it a short one because next one is a little bit technical.